Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change.
Welcome back bro, di channel Reinkarnasi Airgun. Hari ini saya akan coba hunting tipis-tipis ya, di sekitar gudang juga. Ini di areal persawahan. Kayaknya lumayan banyak di sini ya. Masih tetap menggunakan ini unit saya, MK2 lokal, teleskop margul, stalker, kemudian saya pakai mimis ini dia X Slug 15 green. Oke, semoga saja ya poin hari ini. Kemarin saya survei lumayan banyak di sini ya. Gimana keseruannya? Bagi kalian yang baru lihat channel ini, silahkan tekan tombol subscribe yang warna merah yang di bawah. Jangan lupa untuk meninggalkan jejak dengan cara like dan komen di video Reinkarnasi Airgun. Oke, kita tunggu, kita sangkong. Kita sudah pasang MP3 ya di sana. Semoga ada yang mau turun. Oke bro, saksikan terus videonya sampai akhir. Jangan skip. See you.
Point of living if you ain't having fun. I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes.
Oke bro, ini spotnya. Oke, biasanya di atas jati sana itu nanti dia akan turun. Ini sore hari jam 4 ya. Semoga ada yang mau turun, kita pancing pakai MP3. Oke bro, lanjut ya.
If I want it, gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. That's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders. Now we ain't out here moving rocks, we out here moving boulders. Now we ain't getting posterized, we out here making posters. And we ain't got nothing to hide, we move forward like soldiers. You better wake up for the pay stub, or you'll pay up. Don't make love to the game, bruh, fuck the game up. Change up, rearrange stuff to your greatness. Famous for the way up, play the game, bruh.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top,
I'm always flirting with pain, she like to hurt me and maim. I'm always working to change, but she's still lurking the same. I keep on building a dynasty while the haters be trying me. But they hate from inside, you see, hate themselves in society. So I let them speak quietly while my actions speak wider. See, they be hiding in privacy with the screen, oh the irony. To hate someone who's trying to be whatever they would like to be. We all feel the anxiety, we make our own rivalries. Yo, so where is all the positivity? I feel like we all just hate on everything, it's killing me. Thoughts build quick, causing different possibilities. Negative thoughts will cause different disabilities. So do better, work hard under pressure. If you got no time, work smarter than ever. Don't ever let them tell you that you can't never say never. And turn your mind into the truest to go-getters.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top, yeah.
You know I'm always honest, there ain't no way I'm ever stopping.
Ini tadi kita ngesut dari sini ya, di bawah pohon pisang ini unitnya. Jadi beberapa kali shoot di sekitar sini ya, sawah ini. Kita ambil dulu lah poinnya ya. Oke, coba ambil poinnya yang di sini dulu. Semoga aja ketemu ya. Ini tadi jarak sekitar berapa ya, 30-an kali. Jarak sekitar 30-an. Semoga aja ketemu ya. Yang di sini ada satu. Oh, ini dia satu. Oke bro, ini ya poinnya ya. Ini ada bekas bulunya tapi nggak tahu nih poinnya kemana. Ini kayaknya kurang telak. Ini bulu-bulunya. Semoga ketemu ya bro ya. Kita cari dulu. Bro, ini udah jam 5 ya. Tadi udah nyari target poinnya. Ini hanya ketemu 6 ini. Yang nggak tahu yang lain kemana. Kayaknya masih bisa jalan ya. Ini karena luas banget ini sawahnya. Ini hunting 1 jam dari jam 4 sampai jam 5. Ini poin 6 ekor ya, harusnya berapa ya, 7 kalau nggak salah. 7. Oke, terima kasih yang sudah nonton video ini. Jangan lupa untuk tekan tombol subscribe, like, dan komen. Oke bro, terima kasih. Ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. See you.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view.
I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I